flights, including numerous sorties in support of operations Iraqi and
Quay lại đây, quay lại đây.
During the flight, they'll experience G-force extremes from -3 and up to 8 times the normal force of gravity as they maneuver the aircraft to the edge of the operating envelope. Today's show will be performed at speeds as fast as 700 miles per hour and as slow as 100 miles per hour. Many of the maneuvers you will see here today demonstrate the aircraft's capabilities in the tactical arena and are deployed during combat and training flights.
F18.
Lieutenant Celentano will now perform a dirty roll, demonstrating the superior power and maneuverability of the Rhino. After climbing to 4,000 feet, the aircrew will perform a one-handed Cuban-8 maneuver.
Đâu mất tiêu rồi. Oh my god.